with its highly efficient carpet cleaning systems the day you receive it, but for a long time to come. This operator training video will be presented in 8 sections. How dual cleaning technology works. Your machine offers 2 cleaning technologies, restorative extraction and soil transfer extraction, which we call Ready Space. By using both technologies, you can easily develop a cleaning program to greatly extend the use life of your carpet. With the simple exchange of a vacuum shoe and 2 rollers or brushes, you can easily switch from one technology to the other. Restorative extraction. You should use restorative extraction periodically to thoroughly clean to the base of the carpet. The amount and type of daily traffic are important factors to determine how often restorative extraction should be performed. This type of cleaning should be planned in advance and performed during closed hours. The allowable drying time is 4 to 8 hours. Note, drying time may vary due to carpet type and climate conditions. When using restorative extraction, hot water and cleaning detergent from the solution tank are sprayed directly onto the carpet. As the machine moves forward, 2 counter-rotating V-pattern brushes agitate the solution deep into the carpet. As the machine continues to move forward, the vacuum shoe recovers the dirty solution from the carpet. Ready Space. You should use Ready Space to clean visible soils on a daily basis, or as needed to maintain a high level of carpet cleanliness. Ready Space may be used during normal business hours because often the carpet is dry in less than 30 minutes. When using Ready Space, the Ready Space agent is pre-sprayed on the carpet with the use of a pump-up sprayer. After allowing the Ready Space agent to sit on the carpet for about 5 to 10 minutes, your machine is then put to work. With Ready Space, hot water is sprayed directly onto 2 counter-rotating nylon fiber rollers instead of the carpet. As the rollers rotate, much of the water is removed from them using 2 vacuum shoes. This leaves the rollers damp. The damp rollers then agitate the carpet, working both sides of the carpet fiber. The soiled rollers continue to rotate while hot rinse water and the 2 vacuum shoes easily extract the soil from the rollers. Machine setup. To prepare your machine to use restorative extraction, follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Unlatch the idler plates and install the brushes. Note the eye on the end plug of each brush indicates the idler plate end of the brush. Step 2. Remove the solution flush lines from each end of the rear vacuum shoe by pushing up on the tab and pulling out on the line fitting. Next, using the supplied 6 mm hex head tool, install the extractor vacuum shoe on the rear of the scrub head. Step 3. Connect the vacuum hose to the carpet extraction vacuum shoe. To prepare the machine to use Ready Space, follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Unlatch both idler plates and install the 2 Ready Space rollers. You can install the Ready Space rollers with either end next to the idler. The rollers will be rotated after each 10 hours of operation. Step 2. Install the rear Ready Space vacuum shoe on the scrub head and connect the solution flush lines. Step 3. Connect the vacuum tube to the roller vacuum shoe. Step 4. Connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum tube previously attached to the vacuum shoe. Note, if the carpets are heavily soiled, before using Ready Space, first use restorative extraction. Then begin your Ready Space program. Controls and instrumentation. The console height is adjustable. To adjust, pull the console height adjustment lever on the right side of the console backward. Then lift or lower the console to a comfortable operating height. When you release the lever, the console will lock at the desired height. The main power key switch is located on the rear of the machine, low on the control panel. Turn the key to the right to turn the machine power on. Turn it to the left to turn off the power. When the main power is turned on, the power indicator light on the control panel will illuminate. The control grips on either side of the console allow you to control the direction and speed of the machine. Turn the grips forward to move forward. Turn the grips rearward to move in reverse. A speed control knob allows you to set the maximum cleaning speed. Turn the knob to the right to adjust the speed faster, and to the left to adjust the speed slower. The optimum cleaning speed is approximately at 2 o'clock on the knob. The scrub head lift lower switch controls the scrub head. Press the bottom of the switch to lower the scrub head. And press the top of the switch to raise the scrub head. A brush pressure switch allows you to adjust the scrub brush or roller down pressure. Press the top of the switch to increase the pressure and the bottom of the switch to reduce the pressure. You can monitor the brush or roller pressure with the meter on top of the control panel. The needle should always be in the green. Never operate the machine with the needle in the red, or circuit breakers will trip. The machine is equipped with 4 resettable circuit breakers located above the key switch on the rear of the machine. They are designed to protect the machine from an electrical overload. If a circuit breaker trips during operation, allow the motor to cool and then manually reset it by pushing the breaker button in. If it trips again, contact a qualified service professional. Each vacuum motor is protected by a 30-amp fuse. The fuses are located in the wire harness that is connected to each vacuum motor. Note, if replacing a fuse, never substitute a fuse with a higher amp rating than 30 amps. The hour meter records the number of total hours the brush motors have been powered on. Use the hour meter to record service history, to determine machine usage, and to know when to perform required maintenance procedures. On the lower right rear of your machine is a solution tank sight gauge that indicates how much solution is remaining in the solution tank. This meter indicates the charge remaining in the batteries. When the meter begins to flash, stop cleaning and transport the machine to the recharging area. When 2 lights begin to flash alternately, the scrub head will automatically raise to the transport position. This will protect the batteries from total discharge. When this happens, you will need to recharge the batteries immediately. Never let the batteries remain in a discharged state for prolonged periods of time. Before operating the machine, there are a few steps to take and checks you will need to perform to confirm the machine is ready for operation. Vacuum the floor and remove any debris. Check the battery charge level indicated by the battery meter. Inspect spray nozzles for proper spray pattern. Make sure the recovery tank shutoff float screen is clean. When using ready space, check the rollers for wear, inspect the roller vacuum shoes for debris, and make sure the solution tank is filled with only water without any cleaning detergent. The machine may be filled from either the rear using the hose fill port or from the front using the bucket fill port. Note, when filling the solution tank with a bucket, make sure it is clean. Do not use the same bucket for emptying and filling the machine. Fill the solution tank to the 75-liter or the 19.8-gallon mark with hot water at a maximum of 60 degrees centigrade or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Warning: fire or explosion hazard. Never use flammable liquids. If you are using restorative extraction, pour the recommended cleaning detergent into the solution tank following the mixing instructions on the bottle. When using the machine for restorative extraction, use only recommended cleaning detergents in the solution tank. Attention! Machine failure due to improper detergent usage will void the manufacturer's warranty. If you are using Ready Space, pre-spray the carpet with the Ready Space pre-treatment cleaning detergent using the pump-up sprayer. Note, do not add extractor cleaning detergents to the solution tank when using Ready Space. To operate your machine, first turn the key to the on position indicated by the line next to the switch. Transport your machine with the scrub head raised to the area to be cleaned. Press the scrub head switch to lower the scrub head. Adjust the brush pressure meter within the green zone by pressing the brush pressure switch. For best cleaning results, adjust the brush pressure meter so the needle is at the bottom of the green zone for restorative extraction and in the middle of the green zone for ready space. Attention! Do not operate the machine with the brush pressure meter in the red zone or circuit breakers will trip. To begin cleaning, roll the control grips forward and gradually turn the speed control knob to the recommended cleaning speed of 100 feet per minute for ready space and 50 feet per minute for restorative extraction. The normal setting is approximately at 2 o'clock. To operate the machine in reverse, simply rotate the control grips backwards. The machine will continue to clean in reverse during ready space operations. This allows you to back clean over heavily soiled areas, into corners, and into tight spaces. When reversing during restorative extraction operations, the scrub head will raise and all cleaning stops. Once restorative extraction is continued, you may need to readjust the brush pressure. Here are some basic guidelines while operating the machine. Overlap each cleaning path by 50 millimeters or 2 inches or more. Use a collapsing rectangle pattern when cleaning large rooms. If excessive foam appears in the recovery tank, pour a recommended foam control solution into the tank. Foam will not activate the shutoff float, so do not allow foam to enter the shutoff float screen or vacuum motor damage will result. When using the machine, go slow on inclines and slippery surfaces. Be careful not to operate the machine on inclines that exceed 3 degrees when cleaning or 11 degrees while transporting.